To the citizens of the Internet, the governments of the United States of America, European Union and Australia continue to pursue its course of Internet censorship under the guise of copyright protection. As we are speaking to you, non-elected special interest groups are drafting an international treaty in secret that would, in short, end the Internet as we currently know it. They have shown to us that they have no response nor intend to provide information concerning their plans. The long-known and long-expected has thus taken place. The forces endeavoring to undermine the freedom of the Internet are now moving towards their final goals. Never before has there been a greater challenge to freedom of information, liberty and civilization. Delay invites great danger. Rapid and united effort by all of the peoples of the world who are determined to remain free will ensure the world victory of the forces of justice and of righteousness over the covert powers of censorship and of oppression. When in reality, simple logic proves that these treaties and bills being proposed would hurt any and every artist 1,000 times worse than a mere downloader could, just looking for free music. America is not alone in this regard. Countless governments from across the world can also be exposed as fascists and dictators in this regard. Therefore, the state of war between Anonymous and all governments which find themselves inclined to impose censorship upon the Internet will be recognized. Our declaration of war is as follows: declaring that a state of war exists between the governments of the United States, Europe, Australia and Anonymous. The governments of the United States of America, Europe and Australia and have formally declared war against freedom of information and other actions which embody the Internet. The governments of the United States of America, Europe and Australia are guilty of planning to force censorship of the Internet and make it mandatory to their online users. Such acts continue to pose extreme threat to the security and freedom of the Internet and its users. Such acts render it both necessary and appropriate that Anonymous acts in defense of themselves and the supporters of Internet neutrality and anonymity. Therefore, be it resolved by the united conglomerate that is Anonymous, that the state of war between Anonymous and said governments is hereby formally declared, and the conglomerate that is Anonymous is authorized and directed to employ the entire power and force of our collective to bring the conflict to a successful termination. All of the resources of the our collective are hereby pledged. We are Anonymous, we are Legion. We do not forgive, and we do not forget. Expect us.